OPTRAFFIC is an industry-leading manufacturer. We offer a wide range of traffic equipment. Our advanced VMS Signs is one of the best sellers. All our products are built in our ISO 9001 accredited facility. We do everything ourselves, from design, cutting, and assembly. We have strict quality control procedures, and all our boards have to pass 3 steps final check, including 48 hours LED agent test. In our 20,000 square meters factory, we can hold stock up to 100 units. We also offer delivery to door service, making sure they are landed in your yard fully assembled. Our boards allow one-person setup, but they are software and hardware designed for easy operation. We also have many optional choices to meet your very bespoke requirements, such as solar tilt, radar, master brake, external aerial, on-site tablet, and customized painting needs. OPTRAFFIC equipment are compacted design with easy maintenance access, many locking points for vandal protection, and faster transportation. While sitting in your office, you can monitor and program all your boards via 3G connection. OPTRAFFIC VMS Signs are popular worldwide, so we developed a multi-language for our estimated clients. Welcome to contact us.